Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to fix broken lines not showing in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, over here, understand that dashed lines may appear solid because the line type scale is not set correctly. Then know that the dashes can disappear if the scale is too large or too small. After that, realize we need to adjust the LTS scale to fix the visibility of the dashed pattern. Now over here, select the line that is showing as solid, then go to the command line in AutoCAD and get ready to change its settings. After that, type LTSC and press enter. Then, over here, enter a value like 1 or 10. After that, press enter again and check how the line appears. If the dashed pattern becomes visible, then you are on the right setting. Now over here, if the line still looks solid, then try again with a different value. After that, increase or decrease the number depending on the result you see. Then repeat the process until the dashed line becomes clear and properly spaced. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.